Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Kadin Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushalya Yojana kabahab hapo ka jingpet jonga Ministry of Rural Development jonga Sarkar India hakashi pautarek mentau bana yayong arajar arpuai kala lumlang ya ki Samla Pule Barim kibala yo jing hikai haki lain beper jongkari India barkuntup ru hagani ka jela Meghalaya kumshi benta ban raki ya ka jing yo lailot kabah nyo pusan snem jongkari India ya kabala tip ru kum ka Amrut Mahotsav. Hagani kajing yalang kabala long ha Asian Confluence laim kra Shillong kidan hadu arpusan ngut ki Samla Pule ki batrai haki lain baper hapo ka jela ki bala wani shimentahi dalade kat baki Samla ki batrai kum ha ganong ba Mumbai ha Hyderabad ha Tirupur jonga jela Tamil Nadu bar ha ganong ba Kochi jonga jela Kerala lembat shaki wei de ki jaka kila shuya shimenta lengba ka video conferencing. Ya ka program hagani ka sngi la play da ka State Program Director jonga DDU GKY Meghalaya ka MSN Marak hakabalay don lang ru Chief Operating Officer jonga DDU GKY Meghalaya JC Lohani bat kiwe.
To result within a stipulated time frame to ensure an effective and efficient public service focused on delivering the government's agenda. So this agenda is DDU GKY. And we are with you, for you, and will be always supporting you. The most important aspect of the program, DDU-GKY, are the rural youth, and that is you all, for whose benefit and upliftment the whole exercise is carried out by the state team. I am glad to say that we have been able to bring about a transformation in the lives of many rural youths who will be interacting with us in the session.
Here, please use the platform, those candidates who are under training, if you have any questions, because these are the people who have strived, worked hard, and today they are working for 1 year, 2 years, 6 months. Because they have had the whole experience, right from the village they started, how they adjusted to the new experiences in the training center, how they overcame them, and today how they are successfully working.
Joining this project, I studied my BA in Cement College Shillong. I came to know about this project through one of my friends who already joined this. When he joined, then he consulted me. After that, I came to join this. So after complete my training, I joined my experience in Nazir Hospital for 9 months. So after that, I joined.
Ako ang agency po dalam ASU COVID. Kadang ni kecil tim, orang-orang yang tim COVID, pada poin di kongsi po jelas ini. Anda latih pada masa suku ba, ini mensunting malah. Kubai nak jid keren. To save someone life, nampak kumki he vokal di nanti. Anda latih pada masih orang meleni. Kasar ini ada pengajuan, itu tentang ayo apusan macam 25%. Yang kalian bah itu mentari, lepas ketika di Jingrakhe ayo kami para kami kampus pajong dari kontrak khusus dari kalau yang tersedia kemudian pada penambangan Mahotsav na kadin zonado nga ipipili padang don mentah po yun supi wanong uji kemen tristom wanong apa yang ikai kadon kalat labadet ya ka ipotiti pesang
Coming back to the water, when how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every part I make, every road is back to the place I